during one of our previous tool tours through tool stores where we find you and me the best prices on tool deals and get you savings. And you could see that right here if you like tool deals. You all asked me for an update on the cost of building materials because you heard through the grapevine, like a California raisin, that prices were going down. We have some news. You are tradespeople, you're DIYers, homeowners, and with the state of things, every dollar counts. The other thing is that if you're proposing work, you need to have a good idea of lead times, because when dealing with customers and clients, communication is always key. Even bad news is still news, and if you keep your clients abreast of the situation that's happening in their business, in their home, they're gonna feel much better if they know what to expect. You might be hearing contrary information. I will tell you, number one, if you wanted to hear about common building materials and their increases and what to expect, you can go to this video right here. There has been no further communication, and we're at the top of the list. There has been no word about price reductions. These suppliers place their orders and have projections for manufacturing years in advance. And no hate on little old ladies, I mean, you know, but this ain't like little old ladies going to the corner store and buying exactly what they need for tonight's meal, and then they go to the store tomorrow. It's not like all of a sudden prices are just gonna dip. There has to be time for everything to catch up, stabilize. Now, here is the second part of the equation when being successful in contracting and being a small business owner, estimator, or even doing side work. You're gonna do side work though, make sure you have your insurance. Don't be a crumb bum loser that works out of your trunk, okay? You know what? You can be a crumb bum loser that works out of your trunk. Just make sure you have insurance. With that being said, we have new correspondence from USG, and we will show you a copy of this. I will read it for all of you. It says, to our valued customer, please be advised that effective Wednesday, May 12th, 2022, the following products will have lead times extended from their published levels to 60 business days. So it could be, who knows, up to 2.5 to 3 months. But as you can see, radar acoustical panels, standard and advantage colors, excluding flat black. Radar illusion panels, white, standard, and advantage colors, excluding item 2862. Radar and radar basic acoustical panels, 12 by 12. Mars, this is out of this world. Mars healthcare clean room panels. Mars and Mars high NRC Logix field panels. Mars and Mars high NRC Logix channel panels. Mars and Mars high NRC planks, 24 by 48, clean room acoustical panels, excluding items 56091 and 56099. This service level change will be implemented on all orders received after May 12th, 2022. And we're seeing more and more of this happening across different product lines. Just be mindful that it seems as though it's going to take a little bit longer for you to get those raw materials and building materials as time progresses. It doesn't seem that it's actually getting any cheaper or lead times are any shorter. And if you like having the information, even though it's not good news, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, doesn't cost you a dime, plus you'll get 7 years of good luck. And I guarantee you'll get 7 years of good luck, although it doesn't seem that way. Sorry. Leave it down in the comment section below. What are you seeing in your areas? What are the common building materials that you're purchasing? How have you been affected? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one.